Today I'll be installing one of the coolest car accessories out on the market right now. This product from ImageBond is a completely portable and wireless car stereo with a 4K dash cam and even a reverse camera. It comes with this dashboard mount, but they also included a windshield mount if you don't have a good place to install on the dash. The mounts clip into the back of the stereo, and they're easy to remove as well. Also included is this waterproof reverse camera, which mounts to the back of your vehicle. It shoots in full 1080p with a wide-angle lens, and it comes with an extremely long power cable, making installation a breeze. Simply connect the camera to the back of the unit, and it's ready to go. All of the wiring will be tucked away nicely, so it's not visible when the installation is complete. Next up is the 12-volt power source. It also comes with an extremely long cable, and it powers using a Type-C USB for a fast and reliable connection. The reverse camera instantly makes connection with the unit. Here you can see me moving around the camera. The video quality is clear and crisp. The last thing left to install is this external GPS antenna. This module can automatically display the time, location, and speed of the vehicle. I opted for the windshield installation because it freed up space on my dashboard and it's easier to view while driving. This was also the best mounting location for the dash cam to view the road. Make sure you think about that when doing your installation. Here you can see the amazing video quality from the dash cam. The dash cam shoots in full 4K for extremely high quality video. This device even has continuous loop recording on both the front and back cameras, and supports up to a 128GB SD card. This stereo even has a built-in FM tuner. If you prefer to share music and data from a mobile device, just know that the stereo is fully compatible with both iOS and Android devices. All of the video recordings will be stored on your SD card. The device will automatically separate videos from both your front and back cameras and store them accordingly. I really like this feature because it essentially turns my truck into its own surveillance system. The wide-angle lenses capture way more video than I was expecting. I can see all the stuff in the back of my truck bed, and I can even see my yard better than I can with my home security cameras. The stereo also has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can connect to it with your mobile device and view all of your video content wirelessly. This stereo uses a 4-core processor, which is extremely fast with no lagging whatsoever. Even functions like navigation work seamlessly without any issues. Here you can see just how functional this reverse camera can be. I'm pulling out of this crowded parking lot, and I can see almost everything, including all the stuff in the back of my truck. This is much easier and much safer than trying to turn my whole body and reverse looking backwards. You can easily switch between the front and back cameras with a simple swipe, or you can view them both at the same time, just like this. This device even has advanced driver assistance on it, so let's take a look at those features. When using the dash cam with ADAS turned on, you'll have access to special features like lane departure and front collision alerts. I didn't have to do any special setup or calibration. It automatically detects your lanes and does everything for you. This device completely exceeded my expectations and added a modern flair to my classic truck.